Completed inner fender restored. Looks really good. Saved me a lot of money for the cost of a can of paint, spray paint. The interior also looks great, like new. Very nice. Like I said, you have options when it comes to these things. You can pay close to $600 for a pair of brand new ones, or you can keep the originals that are in good shape like this one was. They were both good California cars, no rust whatsoever, very little if any surface, and they were cleaned up, primed and painted to complete this project successfully and save a lot of money.